everyone, I'm here again. YouTube's going to be banning me. The door's just gone again, and I think I need to go put the lottery on today because I've received another Happy Mail. Now, I was warned that this was coming. This is from the lovely Rachel Burkett, who I met through Stampin' Up. She's ever so nice, and she did say that she was sending me a little something. Little? What the heck? Blimey, what have you done here? So let's see what she sent. She just said that she's taken to gifting for, one person a month Happy Mail, as a just kind of like a pay it forward, you know, putting good karma out there kind of thing. So yeah, so it's obviously my day for it today. I'm ever so I'm shocked. So first of all, we will be keeping this ribbon with owls on. My teen Alexia absolutely loves owls, and it's got foxes on as well. Aww. So yeah, there's loads there. She's given me about 2 meters of ribbon, and then this beautiful tissue I'm going to salvage as much as I can with these beautiful parrots on. How fab's that? So let's have a look. Let's she's taped it, so I'll have to be careful. I've no idea what the neck is it? Can't get in it. You've got to be joking. I know where it is. You're joking me. I'm gonna try my best not to cry because I'm filming. I can't believe you've got me one of those. Thank you. Wow. I'm actually in shock. Thank you, Rachel. That is so thoughtful, because I think I'd said casually that I'd like one, but I don't think you can get them in the UK. Now, she did say she'd sent away to America for something, so I wonder if this is what she's sent for. I'm absolutely... I can't believe that you've done that for me. That is so kind. It's anybody that... Sorry, I'm acting like you all know what it is. So, when I make my journals, you'll see me a lot using the decal edge ruler, because I like to rip the edges. And absolutely love it, but it's quite time consuming. And I'd said... off the cuff that I knew Tim Holtz did a trimmer, so then you can trim and it's just faster, you know, and you could do multiple pages at once, and that's what this is. It's a decal edge trimmer, 8.5 inch, so it's the perfect size for journal making. Oh my goodness me. Wow, thank you so much. Let's have a go. I can't believe it, because these things are not cheap. Let's have a go, what's that going up to? So if we do 5.5, because that's what my pages would be. So it goes up to 6 inches that way, and this way must be, it says 8.5. Oh, look at that! Oh, this is just, I'm going to wear it out. Do you know how much easier that would have made my life if I had that when I did my altered book, because I ripped every single piece of paper by hand. That is absolutely fantastic, and I am going to get hours and hours and hours of utter joy from that. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You've no idea how much easier that will make my life. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. I'm hugging it. I'm speechless. Those that know me know that doesn't happen very often. What we got here, you monkey? Oh my goodness me. What else you got me? Oh no way. Oh, wow, look at these. Oh, look at that. It's like a journal maker's paradise. Look at them. Only a journal maker would get excited over paper clips. Those are awesome because I was starting to run low on paper clips, and those are just a perfect size. They're not too big and they're not too small. Thank you. Brilliant. There's loads in there as well, because paper clips can be really expensive, you know. It's quite bizarre, but I suppose it's because of the metal. But thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, because I use loads of them. I'm so grateful. Oh, she's tied it with this lovely crocheted. Oh, I needed some of this as well. I've got some of this in my basket on Amazon. And I was like, shall I get some Shanta? Shall I Shanta? I don't need to now because this will last me a while, because I only use a bit at a time. That's really good quality as well. That's that nice, heavy, proper cotton stuff, that. Beautiful, thank you. Oh my gosh, there's quite a lot there. Oh my days, thank you. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. And then she sent me these. Oh, brilliant, thank you. I really needed some. I was running really short of it. Oh, wow, thank you. Let me have a look at this one. Oh, that's beautiful, look at that. Oh, yes. I'm absolutely thrilled. Thank you. Oh, my gosh. And that's a pretty one as well. That's a more delicate, thinner one. And that's a white one. That's beautiful. Thank you, Rachel. Oh, my gosh. What we got here? Some lovely ribbon. That's pretty, isn't it? It's got sewing on it. Sewing themed. Ah! That'll go in my journal with the sewing theme paper. What's this? Oh, look at that. Capsule adhesive. So that's a self-adhesive one. Thank you. Oh, is that something else? Oh, wow. 5 metres. That's quite a lot as well. Thank you. I will absolutely be using that. What's this one? Birthday wishes. Oh, is it a die? Oh, look at that. That's nice. Oh, wow, thank you. Let's have a look at that. That's a die. Oh, gosh, I'm not opening that very delicately, am I? Oh, where's this come from? It's Gemini. Crafter's Companion. They want to sort the packaging out because I'm going to spoil that packaging now. Oh. Oh, look at that. I wonder how that works then. So that's cool, that. I'll have to have a go with that. I'm not quite sure how that works. Let's have a look. Edgeables. That's cool, isn't it? I shall have a go at that later and see how, work out how that cuts, because it looks like it cuts an edge, sort of, if you get what I mean. I know what I mean. Let me put that back in there. I can't get it in. It's because I'm all of a dither. These Anita's little... Oh, it's come undone. Oh, no. It's come undone. Let me just grab them. Let me just grab them. It's just come open, that's all. I'll salvage what I can. They're tiny ones, those are my lovely little shakers. Or if I find I've got like a special tool with a sticky, for want of a better word, a sticky end for adding little tiny gems onto stuff, and they really look beautiful. So that one might be a little bit mixed up in colours, that tiny wheel one there, but just that little segment. Let me get the rest of them up. There we go. It just fell open. I think I need to turn it that way. That's it. Look at all those colours of lovely little gems. Just need to be really careful that it's on the blank space when it's shut. Thank you, Rachel. Let me just put them somewhere so they don't get knocked about. What we got here, this looks like some little pearls, some little pearl beads. I won't open those in case they fall all over the place. Let's see, some little wine bottles. They're cute, aren't they? Like laser cut wine bottles and some little, those are nice. I like those, thank you. What we got here? What the heck have you bought here? You're joking me, what's this? No idea. But it's rather large, and we've got little Happy Mail sticker there, look. Oh, thank you for supporting my small business. Oh, because she's a Stampin' Up demonstrator. I think she still is. I'll have to see if I can find a link for her. She's a lovely lady. What have you done here? What's all this? Wow, it's just loads of papers. Have a look. Oh my days, these are perfect for journaling, aren't they? Wow. Oh wow. Thank you. That's beautiful. Look at the thickness of the pile that she's sent me. I'm just absolutely amazed. Oh, is that a... Was that a... Did that tell me what the paper line was then? There we go. Recollections. I knew it. Recollections. I knew it had Recollections vibes. Right, so I'll have to have a right good look through and see if each one's got a header or not, so that I know what they all are. But yeah, I knew that those had vibes of Recollection, so I'll put those all back together in the right areas. That just beautiful, Rachel. Thank you. I'm absolutely just in shock. To be honest. It's not often I'm stuck for words, but thank you. That is so thoughtful, and that will go a long way towards my journal making. And as you know, I do give a lot of what I make, I do gift it. So a lot of this will go into journals, and they will find the way to... You've helped me, really, by sending me this gift. You've helped me so that I can continue to gift other people, because that's what this will ultimately do. I'll be making things from it, and, you know, I've been doing giveaways and stuff, you know, making journals and things like that, and then gifting them to YouTube followers. So that is ultimately what will happen with these. I might be selfish and hoard a couple, but that is ultimately what I will be doing. So thank you ever so much for that. I really do appreciate it. You are wonderful. Right, ladies, thank you for sharing that random act of kindness with me. I really do think that I've got a stroke of luck today. Somebody's looking down on me thinking I need to go put lottery on. I'm not even kidding, I'm gonna. Take care, I'll be back later. Bye.